Now come to exercise D on the same page. Use the word given in the bracket at the end of the sentences to form a suitable adjective. The first one is Hamid writes in a simple and dash way. Understand, it's a verb, so we have to form an adjective from this verb. So in the end of understand, you have to add able, that is able. So it will become understandable. Hamid writes in a simple and understandable way. Number two is the party was much more dash than I had expected. Enjoy is a verb. So when we form an adjective from this verb, it will become enjoyable. The party was much more enjoyable than I had expected. Number third is I wish I had dash powers. Magic. Noun. So when we put al in the when we if we add al with the word magic, so it will become magical, and then it will be become an adjective. For example, I wish I had magical powers. Number four, Maria came to me in a very dash state, emotion. So add al, it will become emotional. Maria came to me in a very emotional state. Number five, my sister is dash to cats. Allergy. So it replace y with I and add c. So then it will become allergic. My sister is allergic to cats. This was all about your. This was all about the adjective. That how the adjectives are formed. And if you students still you have any problems regarding adjective or regarding any topic, you can give in your comments while watching the video. Inshallah, we'll try to solve out your problems. Now come to exercise E on the same page. Find adjectives from the lesson and change them into comparative and superlative degrees. Now students, it's going to be your homework or your assignment. So find out at least 20 adjectives from the lesson, that is the Nasiruddin, and change those adjectives into the comparative form and into the superlative form. For example, the first one that I am going to do for you is popular. In the lesson we have an adjective that is popular. So the simple form is popular. The comparative form is more popular. The superlative form is the most popular. You have to make a column to draw lines on the page and make draw two more lines and make three columns. Popular, simple form, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. You find out an adjective, for example, popular. In the lesson you see popular. Comparative form is more popular. Superlative degree is the most popular. You have to find out at least 20 adjectives as a homework. Now turn your pages and come to page 63. Here again we have a topic that is related to adjective phrase. Now dear students, what is an adjective phrase? Let me whitewash the whiteboard. Okay. Adjective phrase. Okay, adjective phrase. What is an adjective phrase? Look at the book on page 63. An adjective phrase serves the same purpose as an adjective. That means it modifies a noun. Adjective phrase is a group of words which modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. It functions as adjective. Look at the exercise. For example, exercise number F. After reading out the exercise, you will be able to underline or to note the adjective phrases in these sentences. I repeat that adjective phrase is a group of words which functions as an adjective. I mean, which modifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Now look at page 63, exercise F. Identify the adjective phrases in the following sentences. Number 1. Have you ever seen an elephant with a white skin? So here the adjective phrase is with a white skin. Come to the second sentence. He was wearing a crown made of gold. Made of gold. Underline this phrase made of gold and write below this that adjective phrase. Number 3. There I met a girl with blue eyes. There I met a girl with blue eyes. So with blue eyes is an adjective phrase. Number 4. Wild beasts in small cages are a sorry sight. Wild beasts in small cages. In small cages is an adjective phrase. Number 5. A man with a long beard came to see me. With a long beard is an adjective phrase. Come to G. Exercise G. In each of the following sentences, replace the adjective in color by adjective phrase of the same meaning. Yeah, here again you have got an exercise that you students have to replace the adjectives with the adjective phrases of similar meaning. What does it mean? It means that you have to replace these adjectives with the adjective phrases having the same meaning. The first one is it is a white elephant. So white is an adjective of color. You have to replace it with an adjective phrase. For example, it is an elephant with a white skin. Number 2. It is a black. Number 2 is he lived in a stone house. He lived in a stone house. So the adjective phrase is he lived in a house made of stone. Number 3. The king wore golden crown. The king wore golden crown. So you guys have to replace this golden crown with the adjective phrase. So what will be the correct answer? So the correct answer will be that the king wore a crown made of gold. Number 4. She wore a diamond necklace. She wore a necklace of diamond, or she wore a necklace made of diamond. Number 5. It was horrible night. It was horrible night. So you students have I leave this last sentence for you people to solve out this sentence by replacing the adjective with adjective phrases. Do it, and if still you have any question, you can ask your questions through the comments. Okay students, it was all about your exercise exercise of unit 6, that is the Nasiruddin. So I hope you may have understood it, and still if you have any questions you can ask. So thank you. Allah Hafiz. God bless you.